Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at www.patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I'll have the URL linked to the title and description and comments probably. And just letting you guys know that it is, I already locked the first tier, and then I'm limiting it to the next two tiers. And after that, it's done, and the migration is happening for the website. And then, same thing that I say every video, right? If you want to join, great. If you don't, that's all good too. But it will be a lot more expensive later on. So I don't want to make this video too long. I don't really have too much of a TA here going on for you guys. It's really just, that's still initial target. I'm still very bearish. You guys already know why I'm bearish. You guys already know that I'm still extremely bearish. I don't really know what else to kind of tell you guys here. But initial target right now is 511. Next target is going to be 510, right? Next target is 509, then 507. But to make things a lot easier for you guys, my target right now in SPY is going to be 504.64, and on QQQ, right, my target confirmed as of Friday last week. My target right now is going to be on QQQ 429.95, right? And I do think that we're going to get there probably sometime this week. It's not next week, right? But I am eyeing that, 504 on SPY and 430 on QQQ. SPY, right? 504, yeah. So, yeah, I don't really have much TA. These are just my targets for this week, possibly the next week. I am very bearish, as you guys know. I have been very bearish after that 2-week close. And then also, SPY, right? SPY is actually showing that 2-week. There it is, right? And I told you guys, after that 2-week closes on SPY, that's final confirmation. I'm 90% sure, as far as my own, opinion, my own, what is it called? My own merit, that we're gonna drop 10-20% on both SPY and QQ, right? Again, that's my opinion. That's what I think is gonna happen, or that has a really high probability of happening. So that's why I'm basically just shorting the whole market. My position, I only have one position right now. It's on AI, right? And this is my target on AI. My target on AI is here at 27.65. Pretty sure this might hit today, right? I've been shorting this ever since, we broke at 30.87. So I basically just been shorting it. I should probably be in the money sometime today when we open. But yeah, this is basically my only trade. I am shorting the MS and the MQ, right? I think the MES. Whoops. I shorted it overnight. Here it is. Yeah, there you go. So I'm up I took small positions here. I'm up 200 something on the MES, and then on the MNQ, I'm up around $427, right? So overall, $600-700. If I would have taken this on the actual on the actual ES and the NQ, I would have probably been up more than double this, or 10. I think 10 times more. I think that's what it is. I'm not 100% positive, but I think more. I'm not really sure I forgot how the micros work or the minis work. But yeah, my target right now is 18.011 for NQ, and then for the MES or the ES, right? Somewhere around that same range, around 5168 for the SPX, all that stuff. So yeah, not too much of a TA. It's more of just targets from where I think we're actually gonna be headed. But again, not really sure what else to tell you guys. These are just my targets. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.